Hello, my name is Klaus and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. Roll the intro, let's go! This license plate holder, whatever this is, for me this is ruined, like totally ruined, and to fix this is quite a bit pointless. So what I want to do is get rid of this. Look at your country or whatever you're doing. If an license plate holder is in the law, or as long as you have a license plate in front of the car, you're fine. Here in UK, as long as you have a license plate in front of your car, you're fine. So what I'm gonna do is mount the license plate to the bumper itself. We will have to remove the bumper, and I have a video how to remove the bumper. So I'll leave the video in the description down below how to remove the bumper. Now let's go and check out the tools you're gonna need to do this job, if you are allowed to do that in your country. These are the tools we're gonna use. Pliers and trim removal tool. Couple of picks, straight picks and a hook. This is an 5.5 millimeter drill. This is a 9 millimeter drill. And 10 millimeter socket, 8 millimeter socket, stubby screwdriver. This is an marker. This is a marker that doesn't dry that fast for marking bolts. Tape measure. This is an old bolt from an BMW. This was what's holding the wheels on. I used obviously an electrical drill to drill the holes. I used the metric nuts and bolts washers, like metric bolts I used. Then I used this rivet nut tool, this kit. So you have all the sizes here, and this is the tool. And you make rivets like a thread in any kind of location you want to make. This I bought from Amazon. I will leave the affiliate link in the description down below. What means affiliate link? That if you buy this tool, I will get small piece from that purchase. So basically help me out to make the next videos, to buy more stuff and more tools. So this is the rivet nut, and you can see all the sizes and everything else. This is an old hard drive holder from a computer, and I will cut another piece out for the bumper. This is an angle grinder, mini angle grinder. I used it plenty of times, and that's it. Now let's go and start. Here we are. This is the rear of the bumper. This is where the license plate screws goes. What you can see here is, and here are two slots, and this is what holding it in. Mazda, why? Look, you have here a lip. Jesus Christ, why you did that? Look, this looks beautiful. Look at that, that looks awesome. Why this? Hold up, where is it? There. Why this? It doesn't change anything. The license plate is sitting just a little bit back and it's more in, it's more tucked in. This looks awesome, and you might be able to reuse. That's where it's screwed. That in. This is where the hole's screwed. God damn it. We might be able to reuse these holes, because if we look like this, might sit here and here. So here and here. See? Like cover those two. You know what? Yep. We're gonna reuse these. So, not riveter. There you go. That's all the specification. And now let's see. Maybe M6. Roughly. Okay, let's see. This is M6 written. Let's get one and let's check the hole. So M6 will need a drill hole size 9 millimeters. So let me find a 9 millimeter drill and let's see if this fits like 9 millimeters. Okay, I found this. This is 9 millimeters. This is spot on. It's not loose. This actually fits, so we don't need to drill it out. 10 doesn't go through, so it is 9 millimeter holes. These holes are 9 millimeter already. So that means we don't need to drill. What Mazda put there from the factory. See, I have the rib nut. Sits there perfectly. Now, the problem is with rib nuts, it can pull through the bumper. So when you squeeze this to make a lip on the back, it might pull through. So I'm gonna cut a piece of metal or any kind of metal. So let me show you. So we have 3. We will need the tool. We'll need M6. Come. And this M6 set. Now we have our tool set up. For the M6 we need to cut a plate out of this. This is out of a computer. This is the hard drive storage, whatever this is. So we're gonna cut out a piece for each and drill a hole through this, so we have some kind of metal, not only the plastic what's in the bumper. So this will clamp between. This will be clamping between the bumper and this metal, so it doesn't pull through the bumper. Now, for us to know where to drill the holes, you take marker and just slather it. So right here. Now let's squeeze it down. Where are the bolts? And lift up. So there and there. See? I want to avoid the numbers and letters. So what I'm gonna do is measure from the top till the very middle. So it's 3. From here till there it's 3. So I'm gonna mark it here on this side, on the 3 in the middle. So this will be in the middle of here, and this will be at the very top, and then we measure this one. Then I can screw this down and do that one. Now we go install this and get the measure of the other one. There you go, that's more like it. Look at that. Let me put that bumper down. Check that out. It has a lip here. That looks much better than the plastic thingy. Let's put this on the car now. This is done, look. See? It's bulging through. It's here. Let me speed it up and put it back on the car, and then I'll come back to you. Done. Oh, look at that. Isn't this looking better? Doesn't this look better? Then here's a lip and it looks like this. Nice. I don't know about you, but I like this more. But for now, that's it. I hope this video helped you in a way, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye.